Morning family. Today we're going to talk about poultry farming and more specifically how to start up a poultry farm. 1. Choose your poultry sector. Common question for most beginners. Poultry is a wide industry. It has two types of farming, broiler farming and layers. There is this business of incubating your eggs and raising the chicks that you have to put in your consideration. So decide if you want to operate in all sectors or you want to restrict your business to just one or two sectors of your choice, especially in the beginning before you start your business. There's this option of meat production, eggs production, poultry production, and egg or feed processing. Number 2, choose the type of bird. Most poultry farmers own many types of birds, but let your small farm start by focusing on 2 or 3 birds, breed, and then more birds as the ventures grows. Poultry farm raise birds such as domestic fowl, layers, duck, turkey, pigeon, peacock. Also determine whether to rear layers or broilers. This is basically the choice farming for meat or eggs production. Number 3, get your logo for the business. Another essential step to take is identify the logo for your poultry business. Let your logo be everywhere on your farm products when you market them. The logo will also be put on products like marketing material, website, and visiting cards. You should also ensure that your logo becomes a tool to show that you run a professional business. Number 4, how to set your poultry house or farm. Set your farm at the most appropriate location. The location should have all the necessary facilities. Here, consider to build your farm away from towns so that you acquire cheap land and labor. However, setting farm so far away from the town is a mistake. You need to approach town more often to your target customers. A site away from city town may also be a cost to transport your products in terms of marketing the eggs or the meat. Number 5, get financial help. Here, you may not be having much money at hand when starting the poultry farm, but setting up a poultry farm or unit needs sufficient money before you start. That's you should have to put into consideration before you engage in any poultry business. This is because you will be required to buy a lot of equipment, talk of feeders, drinkers, heaters, brooders, labor, among other factors you have to put into consideration. A reasonable amount to buy land for those who do not or have land or own any piece of land, you have to consider that. At the same time, you need facilities to enhance productivity. You need money to pay workers as well as other factors like traveling, medicine, among other factors you have to put into consideration. So analyze your financial requirement, then apply for a bank loan or any other sources of financing. The last part of it is number 6, spread a word for your business. Here, you need to meet people on a daily basis so that you spread the word about your business. Like I'm starting a poultry business for you, for let's say broilers or layers, so that they have information about the business that they will need your products in future. Here, start with friends, family, or neighbors. Visit events related to poultry and make friends as much as you can. When contacting people and clients, present your business card. Prove that you run a professional business. The card gives them your contact and details and the location, the prices, among other factors. This will keep your card, and many of them will contact you whenever they need your products or services. Okay, please like, comment, share, subscribe for upcoming farming episodes on our page. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode of the farming sector.